What's up, world? This is Walt 1325. We are about to see the Fallcroft vs. Glen Oldham basketball game. It is going down right here in Fallcroft at the Delcroft Middle School. It is amazing, people. You're gonna dig the game. The 9 and 10-year-olds are about to get it in against Glen Oldham. This is Walt 1325. You're watching the 325 Nation on Walt 1325 channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get ready for the game, people.
Get out the paint, oh, get out the paint. You in the box?
Stay on him, Emery.
Look for him down low, baby. Good job.
Hands up, sir. Emery.
Get back. Hands up. Hold on, stay in the middle. Hands up, baby. Stay down, baby. Stay down. You're too high. Go back down. Go back down. Hands up. Stay there, Mari.
Stay with the ball.
Hands up. Oh, you got to sit down, oh, you down in the box, oh. Down in the box. Down in the box.
Get out of the lane.
Get out of the lane, oh, in the box.
Hands up.
Oh my God!
On it.
Hold on. Hands up, Amari. Stay there. Amari, get over there, Amari. That's you. Good try. Go get it, baby. What do you want? Outside the paint, oh. Yeah. I mean, you gotta yell it out for oh. What side? What's on? That's you, Zane.
Watch your back. Stay on.
Take your time, baby.
Get it, Dom.
Backboard, M1. There you go. All the way. Take your time. There you go. There you go. Hands up. Stop reaching. Hands up. That's you, Amari. Too far over, Zion. There you go. Take your time. There you go. Hands up. Stop reaching. Too high. That's Amari now. Jade, you stay over there, Jade. Jade, watch him. Watch him. Rebound, Jade. Oh, look up. Oh, look up. Back. There you go. Take your time, Adam. Everyone. Stay up top, man. You go. You up here. There you go. Step up. Rebound. No. Abe, other side, Abe. Wing one. There you go. Good deep one. Oh. back. Juan, other side, go on your side. Juan, get on your side, that's A's side. Stay down. That's you, Amari. Rebound, Jaden. There you go. Take your time. Shot, boy. Shot. Get back. There you go. 2 for 5. Get back, bro. Everybody else should be up. Get back, baby. Get back. Get back. With your hand, not your hand. Hands up, baby. Other side, baby. Jake, where you going? Back out. Get it. Bring it, baby. There you go. Oh, my God. Back out. Back out. Hands up. Behind you, Dave. You stay right there. Don't go on, run. There you go. Run wide. Run in. That Add a little bit in the middle now. Add a little bit in the middle of the